Hi, welcome to Preparation for Meditation. Today we'll be going over different techniques that you can do to prepare for meditation. So it's similar to other things that we do in our life, in that we might feel like we want to be working on something, but we don't quite feel in the mood, and we need to transition our state. So when we practice these different techniques, we connect with the breath, we slow down the body and calm it, and we also start to focus our mind even more specifically. A lot of the time I hear from people that they say, oh, I'm too restless, my mind's all over the place, and meditation isn't for me. And so I'm here just to offer some different things that have really worked for me in helping to prepare the body, the mind, the breath for meditation practice. Today we'll be going over posture, breathing technique, and then also a meditation exercise that you can do to help prepare the mind and create a focal point. Posture. So we're going to get in a comfortable position. You can either sit in a chair or on the mat, on the ground, or on a pillow. And a pillow is really great to put under the butt, as it helps to straighten the back and is also really comfortable. First, we're going to focus on the abdomen. We're going to slightly engage the abs. Imagine we're setting the ribs, if you can find that spot right there. Maybe you imagine tilting the pelvis just back slightly. And then opening the chest, bringing the shoulders up and back, gently relaxing them. If this feels uncomfortable, of course, it's normal. And over time, it will get a little bit easier, and so right now, just sit in a way that's comfortable for you while paying attention to open chest and straight back. You can put your hands either facing up if you feel you want a little bit more openness, or maybe down for grounding, or in Chin Mudra for focus. Second, we're going to relax the point between the eyebrows. Sometimes we hold a lot of tension here. We're going to relax the forehead. Take some nice deep breaths. Third, we're going to go through and relax the entire body. You can do this at your own pace when you're practicing on your own. Relax the top of the head. Relax the face, relax the back of the head, relax the neck, relax the shoulders. Inhale, exhale, relax the arms, noticing how the breath can also relax the body. Relax the chest, the front of the body, the back of the body, the legs, the feet. And all at once, feel the body and relax. Fourth, staying in this space, we're going to practice stillness. So just for a little bit of time, just don't move. As the body maybe feels an itch or tries to persuade you to move in some way, observe it. Observe where it's going. And let it be. Closing the eyes, just focusing on the breath. Fifth, we're going to do a breathing exercise called two-pot breathing. It's from the Tantra meditation tradition. And of course, you can use any other breathing technique that you like. We did posture, we did the focusing, relaxing the body, and now we're going to do the breathing. So we're going to inhale one part to the stomach, inhale a little bit more to the chest, exhale the chest, exhale the stomach. So imagine you're filling up a cup, one part inhale, inhale a little bit more, exhale, exhale a little bit more. Continue with those two parts. Once you're done, noticing whether you feel any shifts maybe in the breath, the body, your thoughts. Lastly, we're going to practice a boat meditation. In this case, your boat is the thought. You're going to focus on the breath. As the mind wanders, you're going to imagine it as the boat. So say you're thinking about what you're going to have for lunch today. You might say, what am I going to have for lunch today? Maybe I'll have a salad. And then you're going to let it go. Imagine that boat drifting off. And then you're going to come back to the breath. Focus on the breath. As you go into another thought, notice your thought as the boat. And literally watch that boat go across the horizon. And let it go. Maybe it's tilting in the horizon. Maybe it's just disappeared and dropped. And come back to the breath. This is a great practice when it comes to gently allowing ourselves to let go of that thought and come back to our focal point. A lot of the time we have a tendency to be really hard on ourselves when we keep on getting in thoughts. In this case, rather than maybe feeling like we're against our thoughts and trying to get rid of them, and actually we end up feeding it and having more thoughts, we can gently observe it, let it go. This is a great practice for that. Let's begin. Thank you for practicing today. I look forward to seeing you in the third video, which is where we will practice a meditation together. I wish you a great day wherever in the world you might be, and all the best with your practice of meditation. And yes, as I was saying, these are the practices that I felt have worked really well for me. And take what you like and works for you. Namaste.